All right.
How do I? Let's see. I think I forgot it from here. This one and this one. All right, guys. I want to sit to Monte.
Okay.
Mr. Branson, science, and Miss Me. Who wants to lead the discussion?
Me.
I want Fiorella to lead the discussion.
Can I do the elephant for the boy?
Okay.
No.
I want us to listen to Fiorella. So right now, I'm a student, and Fiorella's gonna teach us. Nope. Fiorella's gonna teach us a breathing exercise. Ready? What's a good breathing exercise?
Okay. But I'm ready. Thank you.
Let's do butterfly breathing. Or this one? Roller coaster?
Butterfly.
Okay, she says butterfly. Or roller coaster. Okay, good. Okay, thank you, Fiorella. So alright, guys. I think everyone, raise your hand if you remember what this word is. Simile. Demonte.
Huh?
What is this? Do you remember this word?
Simile.
I would love, yeah, Josh, tell me what it means.
Oh.
Excuse me for 1 minute. Let's go over real fast because I didn't do this today before you start. Active listening and appropriate peer conversations, because I have just witnessed an inappropriate peer conversation and inattentive listening. Active listening, somebody tell me what it is. Demonte.
Apparent conversation.
No, what is active listening, Sky?
Listening to the speaker.
Listening to the speaker. So I heard someone being a speaker and I heard other people talking. What is appropriate peer conversation, Percy?
Appropriate peer conversation is like when a teacher asks us to like speak about like to our like table mates, and like when we speak about what our lesson was.
Yeah.
You don't speak about
You're not speaking about anything else. All right, so now I'm watching.
Yeah, Josh.
A simile is like or as.
Comparing two things using like or as. So I printed out some different ones. Who wants to read this one, Mariah?
This
Right here.
is boozy as a bee.
Okay,
Busy as a
as busy as a bee. What does that mean if I'm busy as a bee? Percy.
It's like you're working hard and like
You're working hard because bees go flower to flower all day, right?
yeah.
Alright, so Percy has a bee. What about me? Calvin, can you read this one right here?
It's sweet as sugar.
As sweet as sugar. Has anyone's grandma ever called them that? Or like, oh, you're as sweet as sugar. You're Yeah. So they use it. So Calvin has a simile. Demonte. What is this one? As brave as a lion. Why is a lion brave? What can we use that? What else is brave? Yeah? Okay, that's okay. Alright, Juju.
And you like this?
As fast as lightning. See this, girls? Alright. And if you don't get a paper, don't worry, because we're gonna fix that. Ooh, Daquan.
As shy as a mouse.
As shy as a mouse. That's fine, but I want you to pay attention. And last one,
Girl.
Guy. Swim like a fish. This one's Sky. And if you don't have a paper, that's okay, because that means you are going to be a part of my reading.
No, here.
It's not, it's very basic reading.
I want to read.
Mariah, sit down.
So raise your hand if you don't have a piece of paper. It's not a bad thing or it's not a good thing. It's just,
It's gonna be my.
that's okay. All right. So Mariah, Fiorella.
Calvin took Mom's stuff and he gave it to me. Right here, you can have mine.
That's very nice of you, Demonte.
No, I don't want it. You take one back.
All right, in 10 seconds, everybody have their papers figured out. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, if you do not have a paper, come up to me, please.
Sorry, that was ridiculous what I just did. Go pick it up.
All right, so the people that are up here, you guys should be using active listening for when they're reading, okay? So what I need from you is what's going to happen. You have to keep my iPad plugged, so I want you just to hold it, Mariah, Fiorella right here. Okay, but you have to hold it out like this, okay? And you guys are each going to go one page down. Do you think you can do that?
Yeah.
Yeah?
No.
If you don't, then we're going to help each other, right?
Yeah.
We help each other in this class?
Yeah.
We don't put each other down?
Yeah.
We lift each other up?
You want to go first?
All right.
You're
So, and then when you're done with your page, move back to the end of the line and make sure that our friends can see. Okay?
read it?
Yep. Use your teacher voice.
When Grandma comes to visit,
Here, I'll hold her.
when Grandma comes to visit, she asks so many questions about school.
All right, go to the back of the line.
This time isn't giving her the same old boring answer. I have an idea.
All right. All right. Juju? With your teacher voice. Grandma?
Let's see you.
We should be listening to Juju.
My teacher, Mrs. Jens talks
In
a very
voice.
as sweet as a candy.
Was that a simile?
Yeah.
So if we didn't hear Juju, he just said, now, Grandma, let's see. You asked about my teacher, Mrs. Jennings. Mrs. Jennings talks in a voice as sweet as candy. And did you read this part? It says, except when she is very excited. Demonte! Use your teacher voice loud.
She could spell anything without making one mistake.
Mistake. She can spell anything without making one mistake. Good job. All right, go back to the line, Demonte. All right, Mariah's turn. In your teacher voice. Make sure your friends can see the pictures.
Teacher. And she smells so lovely as flowers, but you gotta be careful. She notices everything just like a pair of glasses.
All right, what similes do you see on this page, Demonte?
Okay, I see. He just went. Dot.
Stand in the back of the line, please.
I see dots.
So,
Wait.
there's two similes on this page.
Glasses and
Yeah.
what's it called? Sunflowers.
Flowers. She smells so lovely, but you gotta be careful. She notices everything, just like a pair of glasses. All right, it's Fiorella's turn. Yeah.
So everything.
We should be not talking.
So everything that has as in it is a simile.
As or like, and only if you're using it to compare two things. All right, it's Fiorella's turn. We should be looking and listening with Fiorella.
Mrs. Jennings, I am giving you a
All right, I'm gonna take over in a couple more pages if we cannot get along. Jack knows everything about every
country. The word
that That is what I mean. Do you guys just see how Jamari helped out Juju? That's what I want to see more of in this class. So thank you. That gives you extra skills. Jack is as sharp as a pencil. What does it mean if my best friend Jack is as sharp as a pencil, Jamari?
It means like it's like a needle. Like it's like sharp as a needle.
So as sharp as has anyone ever heard the word saying? Ever been called? Oh, you're sharp. Like you're smart. You're witty.
Yeah.
Yeah. You have a sharp brain. Let's see. He's as curious as a what's this? A magnifying glass. And as precise as a. Do we know what a microscope? Demonte just saw this.